Hi everybody, welcome to JCH Studio. We are going to today modeling simple kitchen accessories. And if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel. And you like the video, click like button. And you are very new to the 3D modeling, see my older beginner videos. Let's start. Now, after opening the Blender, press Shift A and create a UV sphere. Press 1 on the keyboard for the front view. Press period key to zoom in. Go to edit mode and here go to the wireframe. Select this top thing and press X and delete the vertices. Make sure you are in wireframe and press Alt key and select this and E to extrude and Z axis. And S to scale, E to extrude in Z axis, S to scale and E to extrude in Z axis, E to extrude in Z axis. So this is the way we have created some parts. And go to the press GZ and using a key and I'm just making flat. Select this one and GZ and make it flat here. And again I'm going to select this GZ and make it flat here. So you have to turn on this vertices and using a control key you have to map. Example, I just press GZ and you can see if I move, it's moving accordingly as per our requirement. So now our base has been ready slightly and select this one. I feel it's like very big, so I'm going to make it smaller and select this one and GZ to move like this down and press Ctrl B and make a beveling here. And here what I'm going to do is in bottom also I'm going to select everything, press Ctrl B and make a beveling here and press Ctrl 3 to click a subdivision modifier. Okay, now our basic requirement has been ready here and go to edit mode and turn off the subdivision on view on the editing and select these two and press Ctrl B to bevel. I press Ctrl Z. Once again I make the bevel, but middle option is not required, so I am reducing using a control key. Okay, I just select the middle one also, press Ctrl B and reduce the thing and this shape let it be here. Go to the tool for material tool, create a new, I make it as give it as line and then I make it assign. Go to this tool and create a new material, give the base and I press Ctrl I. Okay, after typing the base I press Ctrl I on the item and select everything. Okay, you can select this, select this, select this, press Ctrl I. So now it has been selected as per our requirement and press assign. Now this base color I am going to give it as full metallic. I go to the material preview and I increase the roughness, so it looks like aluminium and I reduce this little bit slightly down and I give a little bit roughness, reduce it. Okay, now it is right click and shade smooth, go to the triangle and make it auto smooth and go to the design again and it's look like aluminum and but I feel like it's giving reflection. I just specular I make it 0 and sheen sheet I make it 0 and I increase the roughness a little bit. Okay, now looks better. Now go to the line. I go to the full metallic once again, 1, and I reduce the roughness very down. So this part has been ready with this design, and this one roughness I'm going to give it more, not much glossy. Okay, our part has been ready, and here we are going to make one small closing cup for this with having some holes on it. Okay, now I go to edit mode and solid mode, and I will here shift D and right click to duplicate and press P and make it for separation, and select that circle and go to the front view and GZ to move slightly up, and I zoom it in and scale it slightly. Okay, before that the pivot point is in center, which is not required for us. Go to the object, set origin to the object. Now it has been changed our pivot point to middle. Now go to the front view and I press yes to scale slightly out, and go to the top view and go to edit mode, select everything, E to extrude and scale it inside, and go to the front view. I am working on a wireframe, scale it inside and GZ slightly down, E to extrude and Z axis, and S to scale, E to extrude and scale, E to extrude and scale, E to extrude and scale. Go to the top view. I just turn on this and E to extrude and scale, and M to merge at center. Now I go to the tool and turn off the editing option, and I go to the edge selection. I am going to select this and press Ctrl B and create some smooth here. So you can able to see we have some closing for this, and I feel like it doesn't look correct. I select this vertices in vertices answer. I press Ctrl plus to select as per our requirement. Go to the front view and wireframe, press GZ to move slightly down. So now looks better. Go to edit mode and select the vertices, leaving some 2 so I just leave, and I am selecting the 2 vertices gap I am selecting, and I am going to select here this way some random selection for this. Press Ctrl B. Okay, just undo it because I am selected the wrong place, wherever it's not match the line. Okay, now it's better. I press Ctrl B, sorry, Ctrl Shift B and create the cuts like this, and I leave it. Go to the face selection, X to delete the faces. Now we have got some holes for this, and middle also I am going to do the same. Ctrl Shift B, let's see whether it comes. Yeah, it's coming. So go to the face, X to delete the face. Okay, now we have created some holes for this to clear some waters outside while cooking the rice. Okay, I am going to give some thickness for this and this item. Before that, I hide the one. Go to the solidify and click even thickness and make it 2 centimeters. So it's too high. 1 centimeter is okay. Now I press Alt H to unhide this one. I am going to the solidify and I give 2 centimeter that looks very bad. 1.5 I make it for the thickness, and I make it GZ to move like this. And for this I am going to assign here go to the material preview. Fine. For this I am going to assign a base color which is required for us. So our accessories has been completed. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel, so you will get the newer videos. You will get the notification. Okay, until then, bye bye friends. See you.